I hope all is well. As promised, I wanted to do my Temu unveiling, or whatever word you want to put in there. But I wanted to show you my haul from Temu. I bought 3 dresses and 1 shirt, and I'm going to show you. I had to look because so this is 1 dress. I already put it on. I'm going to walk back so you can see it. This one I love. It is a 2X. I think I paid $16.99 for it. So let me go back so you can see it. Isn't that beautiful? I love this dress. I love this dress. Beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna show you one more time. So it's red at the top. It is 1 piece. You can see how long it is. I love it. It makes me look slender. I love things that fit me like this. This is a side view. Now this look a little chunky here, but it's cool. And I love the belt. I typically would wear a red flower. I just got back from another event, so I didn't change. But I just wanted you to see it one more time, okay? And it's got ruffles on the bottom. This is sewn very nicely. I was a little concerned about these poofs here, but I think I even like the poofs, okay? So that's 1.
A few moments later.
Okay, hey guys, this is number 2. I actually like the colors in this. As you can see, I would need to wear like something, a girdle or something right now to suck this in. Remember, I've been talking about this. I can't stand it. So I'm thinking about sending this dress back. Jeffrey think I should keep it. Let me walk out so you can see it. So it's long. These kind of dresses I like to have long, but I'll walk toward the camera so you can see it. And again, if I was gonna keep this, it would be with the hope of losing a few pounds. And I think I'm gonna keep it. I love the color. It feels so nice. And right now, while I'm filming this, it's cold. So it feels so nice and beautiful. I could even wear my boots with it. Only thing is I gotta lose a few pounds in here, okay? Hey guys, this is outfit number 3. And I love it because it gives the illusion that it's blue jean, but it's not. I wanted to show you why I'm gonna send it back. This one is a 1X, but you see how it's already pulling here? So I don't know if it's pulling because of me or pulling because it's cheap. It could be both. So I wanted to show you this though from the total view. Okay, so I love this dress. Again, I got that same midsection problem going on here. So I definitely have to lose a few pounds and or wear a girdle or something to suck me in. This is a 1X. I think this one too was $14.99, something like that. The other 2 dresses were 2Xs. So with this one though, I'm going to reorder this in a 2 because I love this dress. The last thing I ordered was, you guys know I'm a big kid at heart. So I ordered this Hello Kitty shirt. This is a 2X. Well, now when I put it over my shorts though, I'm having a different opinion about it. I don't know. Well, let me finish telling you about it. I'm going to reorder that blue dress that I just showed you in a 2X because I just love it. Now, this is a Hello Kitty shirt that I got. I just fell in love with it. In the picture, this looked like real rhinestones. That's why I bought it. I should have known for $9. It wasn't. But now that I'm wearing it here with the shorts, I'm really liking it. I mean, it hugs here a little bit too much, but it's really cute. I might keep this. I really might keep it because I could wear it with something. Let me see how it looks over here. Hold on. Because when I tried it on earlier, I just tried it on without my bra and stuff. You know, I really like this shirt, and it is long enough to wear with something. I'm going to keep it. I'm kind of glad I retried it on. It's comfortable. You know what? I was going to send this back. I'm glad I tried it on with you guys. Now, again, I got this issue, but that's okay. I would hand wash this, though. I would not put this, or if I put it in the washer on cold, I definitely would not put this in the dryer. I don't typically put my stuff like this in the dryer, but I'm going to keep this shirt. So it's cute. I don't know about that part. But I actually do like it. It's Hello Kitty. Yeah, I'm going to keep it. I wasn't at first, but now that I tried it on, so this is a 2X. So I bought 3 dresses and 1 shirt. I'm gonna keep it. So what do you guys think? Overall, do you shop at Temu? Is this your first time? They say the best way to shop at Temu is to do your measurements. Okay, you're gonna do your bust area, you're gonna do your hip area, you're gonna do your waist, how long, the length. I've done that before, but they are pretty true to size. Like, I don't like my dresses long, so for me, these are perfect. For somebody else, they may be too long. I don't know about this shirt, because the more and more I look at it, I don't know. I can't decide. I can't decide. I got a couple days before I have to send it back. Y'all tell me in the comments, should I keep the Hello Kitty shirt or not? Well, anyway, I just wanted to share my Temu haul with you because, again, a lot of people don't shop on Temu. My husband makes a killing on Temu, guys. I mean, he makes a lot. He finds a lot of stuff on Temu. I find a lot of stuff too. I did buy 2 more dresses from there 2 summers ago, and I love those. I love those. I'll show you what they look like. I'm not going to try them on, but I'll just show it to you since I got my camera here. Hold on. I'm just going to show you my other 2 dresses from Temu. And I love these dresses. These are my other 2 dresses from Temu. This one and this one. And the people go crazy when I wear either one because the colors are just so amazing. Y'all know I love some color. Now, I do want to show you about this one here, and don't judge because I'm not getting rid of it. So you can put whatever you want to put in the comment. But I'm not getting rid of it. But you see right here, y'all might have a tip for me. Like, it's kind of worn, the material. See, can you see that fuzz like? Let me know if you got a tip for that. Because I'm not getting rid of it. I usually just take something and try to get that off, that little fuzz part. So it's just a defect. Because it's not the most expensive material. But the colors are slamming. I'll show you one more time. That one. And then this one. Okay. So again, if you got a tip how I can get rid of that fuzz, I think this shirt is going back the more and more I look at it. It's going back. So anyway, drop in the comments how you feel about Temu. I hope this will help you decide if you're not shopping there to see that you can really get some nice stuff. And that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys. Kimmi.